Hello students, a very good morning to all the students. So students, as we have already completed chapter 8, today we are going to start with chapter 9, and the name of the chapter is Fun and Quarrel at Play. So students, in this chapter we will deal with the different form of enjoyment or the fun as well as the quarrel that occurs during playtime. Okay, so now let's start. Our mind become dull when we work all the time and have no time to enjoy. So students, this is very obvious that whenever we work all the day and we do not find any time for enjoyment, then our mind becomes dull. When we play games, we relax our mind. So students, if we take out some time and play different games, then what happens? We relax our mind. So playing games is important because it is a good exercise for our body. So students, playing different games is very important because at first it's a very good exercise for our body. It keeps us physically fit and strong. So playing different games keep our body physically fit as well as strong. Okay. So second is make us fresh, active and mentally alert. So students, different games makes us fresh and also active and also mentally alert. Okay, so we do not become dull but we become mentally alert. Okay, so third one is increases our power of concentration. We are able to work more and in a much better way. So students, playing different games make us active and then it increases our power of concentration. That means we can concentrate in a definite thing in a more proper way. Okay, so we are also able to work more and in much better way. So students, if we play different games, then we are able to work and in a much better way. Okay, if we keep on staying at home, if we keep on sleeping all day, then what happen? We become dull and we do not find any interest in our life, and what happen? We are also not able to work properly, and in such a way our life become a very dull one, not a very interesting one. So playing different games will motivate you, will make you fresh, will make you active and also it will make you mentally alert. Okay, so आप लोग को भी बहुत अच्छा लगता होगा whenever you all go to play in the playground or whenever you play at home with your friends, you all also like very much, right? Similarly, we need to play and we need to enjoy it a lot. Okay, so next is a games at school. So students, PED stand for physical education. It includes exercises, games and sports. We have 2 period in a week. So students, PED का मतलब होता है physical education, and in physical education we include different exercises, games and sports. We have 2 physical education period in a week. So in a week we have 2 different physical education periods. Okay, so during physical education period we play games in the school playground. So students, whenever there is a drawing class or drawing period, we draw different items, and if there is a physical education period, then we play games in the school playground. Okay, so the physical education teacher issues sports equipment to the children to play. So students, the teacher who is associated with the physical education period, he or she will issue different sports equipment in order to help the children to play. Okay, so most school kept sports equipment like the footballs, hockey stick and bats, balls, stumps and nets for students to play at school. So students, different school, most of the school, they have different sports equipment like the football, hockey stick, bat, ball and net for the students to play. play. Okay, so these sports equipment are kept in the sports room. So students, this all the equipment like the football, the bat, ball, stumps and nets, etc. all are kept in a special room, and that special room is known as sports room. So this is a sports room, and different items, equipment have been kept here. This is a carom, this is badminton, this is football. Okay, so all the items are kept over here in a sports room. So we have a large playground in our school. So in our school also we have a very large playground, and we play games there. So students, all of you play games in the school playground. All right. So name the games shown in the following picture. So you need to name the different games that are shown in the following pictures. So you just have to write the name. Okay. So this, what is this? You need to write here the name of the sport you need to write here, and name of this one here and this one here. Okay, so rules of games. So students, while playing different games we need to follow certain rules. If we do not follow rules, then we end up fighting with each other. So students, for that we need to follow certain rule, that is, so every games has its own set of rules and regulation. So yeah, that is very obvious that a different game, all the games, they have certain set of rules and regulations. We must follow the rules of the games while playing. So students, जब भी हम खेलते हैं हमें rule follow करना होता है. Whenever we play different games, we need to follow the rule of that game. So rules help us to play the game in a fair manner. So if we follow the rule, then we play the game in a very fair manner. Okay, so the coach of physical education teacher help us to understand the rules. So the coach or the physical education teacher जो भी होते हैं, the teacher will help us to understand the different rules. We may have arguments when somebody cheats during play. So जब भी कोई चीट करता है जब हम खेलते हैं, then we have different arguments. We fight sometime. When we play harsh game, we get injured. So whenever we play rough game, then what happens? We get injured. We must not quarrel or fight if someone breaks the rule. So students, whenever your friend break the rule while playing, we should not quarrel at that time. We should resolve the problem soon and restart the game. So we should try to explain the person who is fighting or who is breaking the rule. हमें उसको अच्छे से explain करना है कि हमें fight नहीं करना है, and we should try to resolve the problem, and we should try to restart the game. So playing games according to the rules make us disciplined. So if we play the game in a well-defined manner, in a proper way, following different rules, then it makes us a disciplined person. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. For today we will stop over here. We will start from this portion, that is games after school, tomorrow. Okay students, thank you and have a good day.